Next time you make breakfast, try this recipe I learned from a friend in Turkey. In a pan with 7 slices of sandwich bread, I'm adding 3 beaten eggs seasoned with salt to taste. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to dice 1 tomato into small cubes, just like I'm doing here. Fresh tomato makes such a big difference in this recipe. It adds so much flavor and freshness. And while we're at it, tell me which city you're watching from so I can give you a special shout out. Now I'm cutting up some red onion, but regular onion works too. Just chop it into small pieces. Today's shout out goes to Lauren Brooks from Portland. I'm so happy you've been enjoying our recipes. Using a plate, carefully flip the bread so it cooks evenly on both sides. Be gentle so it doesn't break apart. I seriously can't eat just one piece whenever I make this. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce. The sauce gives this recipe an incredible flavor and keeps everything nice and juicy. Spread it out evenly so every bite gets that delicious taste. I'm sure this is going to become part of your routine, just like it became part of mine. This is honestly one of the most delicious breakfast recipes I've ever learned. Now, let's add the onion we chopped earlier. With just a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home, you can make something absolutely amazing. Now, add the tomato and spread it evenly across the top. I'm sure you've never made anything quite like this before. Tell me, how do you usually like to use bread at home? I'd love to know. It's impossible to eat just one piece when I make this at home. There are never any leftovers. I'm also adding a little parsley for extra freshness and flavor. You can use chives instead if you prefer, or even add your favorite ingredients. What ingredient would you add to this recipe? Now I'm adding 4 slices of mozzarella cheese. If you want, you can add even more cheese or mix in other kinds like Parmesan or cheddar. Share this recipe with that friend who's always looking for a different breakfast or afternoon snack idea. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the cheese melts completely. Look at that. It turned out beautiful and absolutely delicious. Seriously mouth-watering. This has become one of my favorite meals ever since the first time I tried it. If you don't believe me, make it at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you're going to love it too. Now let me cut myself a piece. I'm really happy to share this amazing recipe with you. Tell me if you've ever made something like this before. I'd love to hear about it. Just look at that melted cheese, and so soft, creamy, and full of flavor. Let me cut a little piece for you. Look how delicious that looks. Enjoy.